So proof sets date back to the 50s, when United States Mint started out of Philadelphia, and then in 1968 they started at San Francisco. And over the years they changed in presentation, they changed in packaging, and the contents within as well. And we have a special collection tonight, and it's called the dollar proof sets. It's the only proof sets with the jumbo Eisenhower dollar and the mini dollar, the Susan B. Anthony. And that's these, the 73 through 1981, the dollar proof sets. It's 9 sets in all.
Under $100. How special is that? So as you referenced, Allison, we're allowed to have proof sets now as the American public from 1950 forward, even though the U.S. Mint's been out there since 1793, making proof coins for a significant part of that time. But those were made for special people, special guests, etc. Now the American public can. So you have this 1950 to 55 box sets, then you have the poly packs from 55 through 64, and then the hard plastic lenses with San Francisco come in 68, and it's been that way ever since. This grouping is very special. It's very special because of 2 things. In proof set history, there are only 6 sets, as you referenced, with that big jumbo dollar. The Eisenhower dollar is the same size and weight as the Morgan and Peace dollar, 38.1 millimeters. There are only 6 proof sets that have that size coin. This is that set. Now this is the 75, the flat reverse. We will show you the 76, which is the detailed reverse. The only way you can tell a 75 and a 76 proof set by looking at the bicentennials is looking at the reverse of the Ike. Flat 75, detailed 76. But then the unique part of this story is, and you can't make this up, we go from the only 6 sets that are jumbo to the only 3 sets we've ever done in mini dollars, right? This isn't me Anthony's. And then we introduced golden dollars in the year 2000. So it's this 9-year stretch that is like, wow, time in U.S. Mint, firsts, lasts, sideways. Inside of these sets, however, that is the value. Broken down. If you want to go with just the Kennedy half dollars, which by the way, these are dollar proof sets, we're going to go with the second most popular coin, the Kennedy. Those 9 coins range from between $8, $7.75, $10.95, add them up. Those 9 coins are just under 80 bucks, okay? Then you get to the coins these sets are named after. The dollars, the Ikes, 73 to 78. Yes, the Ike started in 71, but know what? We didn't make proof sets with it till 73. These are the only 6. $129. Susan B. Anthony's, those 3 years, another 50. That's $170, almost $180. Add up just the Kennedys and the Eisenhowers, and you're significantly north of where we are tonight at just $99.95.
At $99.95, we're broken down to $11 per set. Competition has set by set, $245. That's more than double our price. That breaks down to $27 a set. Tonight with us at ABC, $99.95 for each set from 1973 through 1981. And it's the Eisenhower proofs and the Susan B. Anthony proofs. 73, 74, up to 78, those are the Ikes. Now, yes, there were proof Ikes in 71 and 72, but they were only made for collectors, and they were made out of silver in the brown packs. So these are the only proof sets that have the Eisenhowers in it. These are the 75, 76. The Avers coins are dual dated, 1776 to 1976. And again, the only way you could see the difference between a 75 and a 76 proof set is the reverse of the Eisenhower. This is type 1. You'll see that the lettering is flat, and this is type 2, where the lettering is a little sharper, a little narrower, a little bit more raised. Flat and raised, type 1, type 2. Bottom line, $99.95, $11 a set. Breaking it out and just looking at the components. Let's just talk about the Kennedys. 9 Kennedys in here. Out of the 54 proofs, 9 of the Kennedys are proofs at $77.90. They range anywhere from $6.95 up to $10.95 on the 1973, $77.90. The Susan B. Anthony's just made 79 through 1981. Those are the mini dollars. Okay, they was replaced. A new concept of the mini dollar came out in the year 2000 when we brought out the Sacagawea. But the SBAs, 79 through 81. That top, the bottom left coin right there coming across the screen, 1980, $50. The Eisenhowers, the big dollars, the jumbos, $128.95. Again, just those three, I'm sorry, just those two, the Ikes and the SBAs, you're looking at $180. Foolproof set, year by year, 9 sets in all, 73 through 81, $99.95, $11 per set.
Again, competition's at $245 for the set. Significantly more when you look at the big break value, which makes sense, so they're giving you a discount. How about our discount? For these same exact sets, we're less than half. Again, we buy a lot of proof sets. We spend a lot of time and effort with our proof sets. All of them are beautiful, homogeneous sets. Outer boxes, all as the government released them. Certificates of authenticity were not part of the U.S. Mint proof set until 1984. So all of these are exactly as you're seeing them on your screen. But the important part is value inside of a set and significance of the sets. And this one has both. The Kennedy, again, hasn't been in circulation for over 20 years. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. As reference, they haven't been out there for over 20 years. Yet they still make them P's and D's and S's and proof sets today because people love the series. The 9 Kennedys in this set sell for basically the price we're selling the set for. Yet the coins in this set are, and the sets themselves are called the dollar proof sets because of the jumbo Eisenhowers and because of the Susan B. Anthony minis in this particular set. 905, 1382 it is. If you want the Susan B. Anthony's, they're at over $50. You want the Ikes, they're over $1.25. You want the Kennedys, they're over $75. Add it all up, and then or buy the sets at $245. That's set by set. That's the best they could do. We're at $99.95 tonight. That's, well, our best, as you very well know, and that is what we kind of specialize in. Individually, this is the best way. So if you need more than 1 or 2, this is the way to buy them tonight. $99.95.